Matt here with Mobile Solar Consulting in Stuart, Florida. Today we want to show you the best budget RV air conditioner on the market. This is our company trailer, and today we're going to be swapping my GE 15K BTU air conditioner for a Furrion 18K chill cube. Now, we get a lot of requests for 12 and 24 and 48 volt air conditioners, which we do install, and they are insanely efficient. But the installation process does require us to run heavier gauge DC wiring from the battery to the air conditioner when we use those. A lot of advantages there. You don't have to use an inverter. The energy savings are great, but also some downsides. Like I said, the cost of the labor of the installation, as well as the overall power output of the units, is not quite comparative. When you look at installing a rooftop 120 volt RV air conditioner, there's not a lot of great options on the market. For a while we were using the EcoCool by Gree. That is an excellent choice, but now the Furrion 18K Chill Cube is finally here. It's available for aftermarket sales, and today we're going to be installing it. So let's show you how that process goes and show you why that is a better bang for your buck than a 12 volt air conditioner. So had we installed a 12 or 24 volt air conditioner, we would have run wires either up this floor to ceiling cabinet or potentially behind the fridge where there's a bit of space back there. And then usually we'll put either a cable cover on the ceiling, or if we're lucky enough that it's possible and there's not styrofoam covering the entire roof, then we can fish the wires underneath. But a lot of times it does result in at least a small piece of somewhat exposed cable, and that takes also a while to run those wires. In this case, the air conditioner uses 750 watts for this 120 volt replacement, which is the chill cube, which is extremely efficient for a rooftop air, whereas a 12 volt air conditioner does use far less, around 400 watts in kind of a maintaining eco mode. Unfortunately, it doesn't have quite the cooling power. So that's really where the extra power is going to in this. It's got 18,000 BTUs as opposed to most 12 volt air conditioners, which have around 8 to 10,000 BTUs. So while for some of us who are off-gridding full-time, maybe it is a good investment to install that 12 volt air, for most of us who are just doing this for a few days every month, the Furrion Chill Cube or the EcoCool is really a great fit for, the best bang for your buck.